what is up with you guys? For today, just want to show you my newest i7-MiNi. So I just got it from Lazada a while ago, and this only costs 166 pesos. So now let's check what's inside of this box. Boom, there we go. So we got the charging case. We need to, of course, put the earbuds, to charge them. And let's see what other things we have here. So we have the charging cable. Of course, this is very important. And we also have the instruction manual. I'll always read this, guys. This is important. Let's put this aside. And boom, there we go. So we have the i7-MiNi now. Those are the two earbuds. Now, if you want to charge them, just need to press this button here. And boom, there we go. When it turns blue, that means that they're already charging. You can see their red lights, and that indicates that the charging process has already started. Let's take them out. Alright, so just put this aside, turn it off, and there we go. These are the two earbuds. Wow, how beautiful they are. So now, if you want to turn it on, just need to press and hold these two buttons. Press them for roughly 3 seconds, and you will notice that the light indicators will start blinking. So next thing you must do is, of course, go to your phone. Yeah, go to your settings. Where's my settings? Right there, there we go. And go to your Bluetooth option. And yep, there we go. You will see it there. It may take some time for this to show, so you just need to be more patient. Just choose that i7 TWS, and that is it. It will be connected. So there we go, guys. Once again, this is the i7-MiNi. I have tried this a while ago already. The sound is pure. The bass is not really that good, but it's decent. Well, 166 pesos, I can say that that's definitely worth it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna check other things about this. Have a great day and take care.
Baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21, yeah. I don't mind if you stay on my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. No. Till I go numb, dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30, I'm out.